Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. It's Friday. Got a new holiday that we're on, which was a pleasant surprise. Not having to go into work is always a good day. But we're getting ready to go to the lake, and I had this old school gas can here, and it had the the pour spout where you could actually pour gasoline from it without requiring three people to help you. And it's just one of these jobs right here. Pretty simple. Always worked. And then my other gas can that we have here at the house has got the one of them. And you gotta twist it and push on it, and sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. And yeah. Well, I got tired of messing with that, but I was trying to get the long story short, I was working on the old gas can, and it was time to, I used up all the old boat gas that was in it, and it had some crap down on the bottom, so I was cleaning it out, and I went to Tractor Supply to get myself one of them better funnels with the screens in it, and he showed me this little gem right here. Let me get this camera up. It is the Easy Pour Hi Flo replacement spout and vent kit, and it came with two different closures. This one here didn't. I couldn't get it tight on the old gas can, but this is was able to use the old ring and use the new gaskets and stuff. And it came with a screw-on lid for the top, and then this other one, it's got a different size ring kit for it, and it worked. So I was able to get completely away from those safety idiot pour spouts. It's just a pain in the ass to try to pour gas. Poet didn't know it. But anyhow, man, that kid showed me that, and of course that one package, it came with it's got two filler tubes, and then of course I didn't get this little vent cap here, but I got that, which is fine as long as it works. And it's a little longer spout, and that's going to come in handy for the Polaris. So I went and got gas for it, but I thought I'd share that with you because I know there's a lot of people out there that are using those newer gas cans, and yeah, it's a pain in the ass. But the company said, to see if it fits, check it for leaks. If it leaks, return it. I went ahead and just I cheated and used the old ring. I can probably get the new one to seal up again, but I didn't want to take a chance. So anyway, that's it. You can modify and get rid of the safety crap off your gas can. I hope this helps you guys. Oh, and by the way, I've made it to 303 subscribers, and I know that doesn't sound like much, but when your videos don't do that well and they've got your algorithms hid because you put scopes on rifles and videos, yeah, it helps. Anyhow, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Y'all have a great weekend, and happy Father's Day.